again, dear students. Wouldn't it be great if there were a package of courses that would cover all the skills that you needed for the O-level English exam that you could work on systematically and revisit when you feel you've got to polish up a particular skill? Well, Miss Winnie has come up with just that package, and she's here to tell us more about it.
We have 3 parts to the package. There is editing, there is comprehension, and there's essay writing. Editing is split into 2 parts. We have basic and advanced, and we cover all the strategies that you will require to excel in editing, as well as highlight the common and the complex errors and how to spot them. That is followed by some practice sessions that you have online. Then we've got the essay course, which is also a 2-part course. The first part, of course, deals with how to choose your essay question, which I believe is the beginning, and it determines how many marks you're going to get. And then we've got how to reproduce model essays, but maintain your integrity and call it your own. Okay, so there are tips and tricks to that as well. And then we've got comprehension. Mm-hmm. And in the comprehension section, we've got 4 Straits Times articles that we've personally curated, and we've done questions which we've created based on those articles. And so you get a variety of questions, from vocabulary-based to summary questions to language-based, inferential questions that require you to use your analytical skills, and you can practice on them. And it's very unique because we're actually using the articles that all our teachers, keep telling us to go out and read. And we've turned them into comprehension pieces.
Okay. And where can I find out more about this?
So this package comprises of everything I've just spoken about. There's editing, comprehension, and essay writing. Check it out. It's on www.easyolevelenglish.com. And if you have any questions, please write to us at support@easyolevelenglish.com. I'll be happy to answer your questions.
Awesome. Thank you for being here with us, Winnie.
You're most welcome. Have a great day.